Ready?
Ready.
Okay. Power, go. Oh, that was sketchy. Yeah, bumpy.
Bumpy, is it?
My takeoff was nearly a roll into the ground one way and then the other way. I have to check my nose leg is tracking straight. I think I had a lot of ruddering on takeoff.
I think it's the wind, you know, because mine did something similar.
Not sure, there's not a lot around. Mind you, the air feels smoother up here now.
Does it?
Less thermal, yeah, it's much more on rails, yeah.
Which is funny because I can feel more breeze against me, as in, you know.
Yeah, but it's the thermal we had earlier, not the breeze. She's holding a real beautiful line there.
I'm getting a signal issue there.
7 minutes.
I'm good. Leveling out. Throttling back a touch to about 50 odd.
Look on your right.
Yeah. Nice. Gonna tickle left. Bring around now, bit of power, 60. Hold that. Yeah, it's just cruising on the horizon so much better. Oh, signal there.
Yeah, signal. We're
Is that tree?
really far. No, we
Bit of
are.
bump there.
We're far away.
Oh, maybe tree there, yeah, looking back. Throttle back 50, nose down, cruise, horizon. 55.
Have a look on your right again.
Yeah, my frame's in the down way, but I'm, yeah, that's a screenshot right there. I'll give you my DVR.
6 minutes.
A drift right, then hang a left. Drifting right now. To the corner of this field, not the green one, the brown one. Leveling out. There's a line over there I'm going to take any moment now. Hold the horizon. Just like that. Oh. Open a power 60 something. Maintain. Funny shaped patch, but it works. I like it. Fall back a tickle. Level. Now.
Try on your right again.
Sorry, just holding steady.
Yeah, no worries. I've pulled back anyway.
Okay,
Yeah, there's
so
still the odd bit of thermal
yeah,
slash bump.
yeah.
You hit it.
Left turn, hold.
5 minutes.
I think we need to pull a loop, don't we?
Okay.
So the wind is basically from my right shoulder, so I'm coming to wind there-ish. So as we go over the patch, because I want to hear my throttle work. Level there. I'll shout you when I go full power. So I'll go power, speed, then pull back.
Try go about 90% if you can.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
So power 90, nose down, pull back, gentle. Feels good. Over the top, ease back to 30. Line. Oh, you drifted off somewhere.
I got you.
I saw you, like a red flash, disappear to my right. About 40, 50 leveling up. 55, 60. And hang a right. Are you chasing again?
Yeah.
Okay, because I thought you just completely spammed that.
10 minutes.
Leveling up,
I
steady.
stayed with you.
Oh, nose touch. 40, nose down level. Hold, 50. A little bit more, 50, 60.
What was tricky is when you throttle down, trying to
Over the top to about 30.
Yeah.
Okay.
I was on 0 to sort of stop, you know, running into you. That's fun.
I'll send you a screenshot of that red flash. It was like a red flag, but in a plane shape, you know. Okay, hang a left now. Sunshine, sunny day.
Yeah, we may get signal
That's two
here
fields
again.
there, yeah. Let's kill
We're
that
out quite
distance.
far.
How close are you?
On the right again, I'm just closing in.
Okay, yeah, nice.
Have a look on your right.
Cool. You're on my right shoulder. You're on my wingtip, dude.
You're turning, that's why.
Sorry, braking left again. So I'm looking at you, it's so tricky. I breathe on the stick, she's gonna go.
Yeah.
I really need to set up some expo, make it real soft for when we're cruising.
Yeah, it would help. Same with me, to be honest, to get that smoother feel.
I'm gonna hang a left, okay?
Yeah.
Pond just down there, a bit green.
Yeah, as soon as you look away from the horizon and there's another plane there,
Yeah.
you'll just drift, and like, I was like, we're actually turning quite a bit here, but I do the same.
Level, up.
On your right again, just at the back.
Yeah, a little further back, there he is, yeah. Wingtip, Charlie. Nice. It's very difficult to maintain wherever I think my
you're turning again.
horizon
We
is,
need
yeah.
to turn because of the signal, Phil.
Tickle left, holding. Well, we're high up, so we've got a good line of sight there.
I need to check one of my antennas because I'm getting low signal warnings quite a lot.
How close are we sat? Because that's been an issue before, isn't it?
Shouldn't be a
50
problem.
power-ish.
On your right again, wing to wing.
Yeah. I think my timer's running again. I'm so focused, I'm not really taking it in.
Yeah, we're 23.3 volts, so we're all right, yeah.
Right turn coming up now. Very gentle. Shadow slowly crossing. There goes my camera.
1 minute.
Okay. So I'll do a bit of a straight run in this field just below us coming up now. Leveling up. Yeah, a bit of bump again. Gonna hang her right there. Throttle back a bit, 40. Lose some altitude.
Oh, bump.
Yeah. Over the back of these trees, leveling there. 35.
30 seconds.
Power 40. Going for legs and
20
half flat.
seconds.
40 power. Keep over these trees. Keeping power on, dropping. 35, bank.
9, 8,
Full flap.
7, 6, 5,
Look for my line.
4, 3,
Throttle back
2,
20.
1. Timer 1 elapsed.
That looks harsh. No, I spammed it again. There we go. Always learning.
Okay, coming round. I went around, so I'm just going to come in for a landing very as quick as I can.
Timer off.
Trainer signal lost.
Yeah, that's not bad.
A little bit harsh, but doing the old carrier style landing just to get it down.